Welcome to the channel. In the intro, you guys saw some pretty cool lights. We're gonna get to that, but we have a whole bunch of stuff to do first. In the last shop update video, we poured the concrete in here. So I'll have a link in the description if you guys wanna check that out. Off camera, we installed lights in here, so I'll show you guys that real quick. Actually, the boxes are right back here. We installed hyper light, UFO, high bay lights. I'll show you guys those lights up close. They're pretty sweet. The whole shop is lit up with 12 of them. Super bright. All right, after the lights, we installed the hoist. Thanks a lot, Ashley, my wife. She helped me stand this up. And we still have electrical stuff to do here. We're gonna get to that in a minute. Before we get to all those things, I wanna show you guys the plan here. So these are the lights. They're actually a security LED light. There's a sensor here, and then you aim these however you want. I already took one apart here. Instead of mounting them to this box, because I need one on each side, I got these. So these are actually used to put solar panels on the roof of an RV. So before we get to the lights, we need to get the hoist operational. Enough talking, let's get to work. I got most of the wiring done. Next thing I want to do is install a limit switch, which is going to cut the circuit and stop it from going all the way up until it blows the seals out of the hydraulic cylinders. Back in business. Okay, we're basically done everything I want to do except the lights, so we're gonna clean up real quick here and we're gonna get going. What are you guys doing? Ah! Alright, here's everything I need to do the lights. That's what you guys tuned in for. It's a security light, so this is a motion sensor. We don't need this, so we're gonna set it to always on through the chip here. So since this box is gonna be gone, because I need 4 of them, I'm gonna actually use these. These are for an RV. I'm gonna drill a hole here and mount the arm to this, and then it's a little junction box too. There's an adjustable arm on these, so you can kind of tweak them if you have a bigger vehicle, you'll be able to move them. I have this old extension cord from a previous project. I'm gonna temporarily wire this together, and then I'm gonna get something on the hoist. I'm gonna stand there and kind of figure out how high I wanna mount these things. Probably near the base. Before we could do that, I think we gotta get something on the hoist. All right, hopefully I got the camera set up where you guys can see this properly. Tricky to hold these things the right way. Oh wow, those are bright. Oh yeah. I've mounted one of the lights to one of these boxes and I could adjust it, and I've played around with it, and I think I like it mounted like this. Well, I think that looks pretty good. Looks clean with this mount here. For this cable going to this junction box, I'll just put a clamp right here or something like that to make it look a little better. Replicate that. One more on this side, two more on this side, and then wire everything up. All right, we're finally done mounting the lights. They turned out really good, better than I expected, so I'm gonna show you guys up close here. I want to check how bright these are with the main lights off. So I'm going to turn off the switch and we're just going to have these lights on. Thanks for tuning in. I'll have links down in the description for all the pieces that I use to do this. Please click that like button, leave a comment, leave me your feedback. What would you do different? Did you like what I did? Do you think it's a good idea? And hit that subscribe button.